Chamomile tea has been known for centuries for its soothing and relaxing properties, being used commonly to aid with problems such as insomnia, nervousness, as well as a comforting remedy during illnesses such as colds and flu. What many people don't know is that chamomile tea is an excellent remedy to help with digestion. Poor digestion is likely rooted in our poor food choices, poor eating habits, and the fast-paced lifestyles. Correcting these is the key to having a healthy digestive system, but there are things that can be done to help alleviate daily chronic symptoms that many people experience, such as gas, bloating, cramping, diarrhea, and constipation. One of the best herbal remedies as a cure-all for nearly all digestive problems is drinking a high-quality chamomile tea. Chamomile tea contains essential oils and flavonoids, which relaxes the smooth muscles in the digestive tract, to relieve pain and cramping and promote normal peristalsis, the contractions of your intestinal tract that help move food along. Another class of compounds called sesquiterpenes have anti-inflammatory effects which help soothe the irritated lining of the gastrointestinal tract and reduce the inflammation associated with poor digestion. This tea also acts as a relaxant, to help calm down nervousness and tension. Many people who suffer from IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, also suffer from symptoms of anxiety, which have been shown to contribute to their digestive complaints. It is well known that the digestive tract has many connections to the central nervous system, and therefore anxiety and emotional issues can have a huge impact on how your body digests food. By drinking chamomile tea regularly, and calming the system, people with IBS can help their symptoms by directly affecting their digestive tract, and indirectly by helping to relieve nervousness. For people who have very mild digestion issues, drinking chamomile tea on, as needed, basis is sufficient. However, for people with chronic symptoms, it is important to be able to get a high enough dose of the beneficial compounds, which can be achieved by drinking 3 to 5 cups per day on a regular basis. Use 2 tablespoons per cup, and infuse for 5 to 10 minutes covered. Drink the tea while still hot, before all the beneficial essential oils evaporate. The importance of drinking a high-quality chamomile tea cannot be understated. Most grocery store brands contain merely the dust and bits of flour that remain after sorting and packaging. Shanti chamomile tea consists of high-quality whole flowers, which contain the highest concentration of beneficial compounds to ensure that you get the freshest, most flavorful and health-promoting cup of tea. For those with allergies to ragweed, please use chamomile with caution, as it is part of the same family of herbs as ragweed, and some people may experience a cross-reaction. Try a cup or 2, and if no allergy symptoms appear, such as an itchy throat or sneezing, then you're probably fine. Please note that women who are pregnant should not drink chamomile tea, as this could lead to premature birth or even miscarriages.